Dear viewers, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, I am going to discuss with you the model question paper for BG 4th semester Sociology. So let us get started. Number of questions 16, number of pages 1, BG 4th semester Sociology, time allowed 2 hours, maximum marks 60, minimum marks 24. Note: attempt all questions from section A and B and only 2 questions from section C. Section A, short answer type questions to be answered in about 20 words. 8 into 3 is equal to 24 marks. Question number 1, what is social research? Question number 2, define descriptive social research. Question number 3, what is research design? Question number 4, define explanatory research. Question number 5, what is sampling? Question number 6, what are the limitations of sampling? Question number 7, what is questionnaire? Question number 8, what is observation? Section B, medium answer type questions to be answered in about 150 words. 4 into 5 is equal to 20 marks. Question number 9, explain in detail the importance of social research or discuss explanatory social research. Question number 10, discuss research design and its types or explain descriptive research design. Question number 11, what are the advantages of sampling or what is sample random sampling? Question number 12, give a detailed description on questionnaire or what is the importance of questionnaire? Section C, long answer type questions to be answered in about 300 words. 2 into 8 is equal to 16 marks. Question number 13, why is social research important? Question number 14, comment on the significance of research design. Question number 15, write a detailed note on the following: A, probability sampling, B, non-probability sampling. Question number 16, what is an interview? Discuss various types of interviews. This was all regarding the previous year paper of BG 4th semester Sociology. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.